Good morning, my free folk. So, this is Dave transmitting from up in the mountains and had a nice weekend. Did the whole family thing. It was cool. So, here is the daily on the SPX, and you could see this major push up, man, really out of the ordinary. We can call this an up day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even if we exclude this because it closed below this day, so it's still a consolidation. We had 6 straight up days, man. A little consolidation here. What I'm hoping to see is a couple of more bars that look just like that. That's a good indication of a reversal pattern. I just want a nice little reversal, man, to consolidate this, and then I could be comfortable with the rest of the move up. I'm still thinking we get a major pullback, but we're certainly running out of time. Everything's come late this season. So it may move into November, which is going to blow up one of my strategies, but that's all right. It's nickels and dimes that I have risked. Would have been a nice payout, but that's okay. We could take another position if we still feel it's going to happen. So what we're looking for is like 1 or 2 more of these dojis, similar dojis, and that's a good indication that the trend is stopping and we can get a consolidation. It could trigger a major sell-off. It doesn't necessarily have to be the case. It could just be a consolidation. Might see it come down into the clouds a little bit over here, which this seems very, very reasonable. A 413 number, really a reasonable move over the next week or so. So that's what we're looking. And let's take a look at the weekly. Look at that, 3 straight green weeks. Really not a common occurrence, if you roll back. Here's 1, 2, 3. That's a strong week sometime in April. Not even coming off of a consolidation. But yeah, this is strange. Just hopping right back. Oh, here's a whole bunch of greenage. Yeah, summertime just kind of floating up. Summer time. That's last summer. There's the September into October sell. And then a retrace. And this is really what I'm looking for, this end of October retrace into November. And that's when everybody starts wondering, are we getting that Christmas rally? So, I mean, I'm being very conservative. The low to watch, if we do turn around, is 278.94, which I'm starting to feel like that may not happen. But, this guy, Biden, he's a bumbler. And I had hoped, that he would do more to put on a happy face for the U.S. around the world. But it doesn't seem like he's doing that either. It doesn't seem like he's doing much of anything. Just kind of riding it out, waiting for that presidential pension to kick in. Maybe making his kids some money. So anyway, that's what we're dealing with over here. And let's just set this one back on daily so we know what we're looking at. I heard Tesla's up. Oh man, look at Tesla. Come on, click over, Dink. Yeah, that baby's ripping. Up $40, dude. Could you imagine? Looks like everything's green pre-market right now. We shall see what the market holds. Futures are up like 11 or 12 at the moment on the S&P. NASDAQ's up 40, which is basically flat for the NASDAQ. So I don't think there's any substantial news coming out. Let's take a quick look at that before the market opens too, eh? There we go. Nothing today. Housing price index is always interesting. I don't think that's going to move the market. I think that they're looking at the Treasury purchases. Nobody's really talking about it, but if you watch that, you'll see if they start waning. And then Wednesday we have durable goods, which is a market mover. So that's like a bittersweet kind of situation. Their consensus is down, and that's good. So if the orders are down, it might help us a little bit with this inflation issue. We want to see inflation taper a little bit. And then Thursday, we got the GDP. Wow, look at that. Previous, we grew by 6.7 now. We're expected to only grow by 2.7. That's pretty good. At least we're not receding. And the job claims on Thursday. That's been a big number to watch. And then Friday's a big day. You got personal income, personal spending. All right, so we got some a little business to attend to this week. And let's see what CNBC is focused on over here. Stocks making the biggest move. We don't care. PayPal, Burger King, just economic news. Wells Fargo, Citi, stocks. How to help. Oh, Pelosi, I can't stand this broad. Pelosi says Congress is close to a deal on Biden's social spending plan. Yeah. And they're pumping Bitcoin. And I saw a drone this weekend, Dune. It was a little dry. It was interesting. I mean, it was creative, but a little slow. Maybe they should have had Guy Ritchie direct it. So, okay, that's it for my morning wrap-up. Hit the bell, hit the subscribe, and hit the like. And hit me up at 9:30, 9:15. We'll probably start kicking things off. And there's a phone number in the description. You can give me a call. You can call in and we can chat. And you can ask me your questions directly, or you could just hit me up through the chat. But hope to hear from you. And remember, stay calm, stay cool. It's a good time to meditate. You should be at peace when you trade. And good luck trading.